Hello everyone, and welcome to another dev stream summary video. It has been quite a while since the last video. Sorry about that. I skipped a dev stream summary video, and then another, until I was used to not making them anymore. So we have a lot to catch up on, so let's get started. For release 1.79, we added the Expeditions milestone page. From this page, people could view the 5 phases of the first season of Expeditions, as well as the rewards for each milestone. This was quite a big feature and took quite a while, mostly because of the rewards table being a crazy mess to look through and understand. Also, quite a few of the items that we get as rewards were not in the app. This forced me to add them and make a few hacks to add non-game items like the new suit slot. This was also a timed patron exclusive, although it took so long to make the expedition page that in release 180, I made the unlock date a bit sooner so that everyone can access it before the expedition ends. Also, we also spent some time improving the rewards, making them more accurate.
What the f?
We also added a quick little page for displaying the milestone patches that haven't been used, such as this pretty little one, and this one. During this time, I also fought with Apple's build tools for like 3 weeks. It kept throwing me useless errors, and so the iOS version of the apps just didn't get updates for a while. It turned out to be something really stupid, and we got the iOS updates back on track with the Android updates. When Expeditions Season 2 dropped, it was a bit of a mad dash to get the latest game items into the app. Unfortunately, the game files had changed quite a bit, and the No Man's Sky modding community needed extra time to update the Mbin compiler. Huge thank you to the No Man's Sky modding community. Without them, we wouldn't be able to data mine the files. The second season of Expeditions also changed the order of the community missions to add the Myth Beacon as the next item, which meant that the community mission page was incorrect. So we made a quick fix for that, updated all the game items, and crossed our fingers that the App Store gods would have mercy. There was also a very scary problem with the second expedition being released. The original expedition milestone page was only designed to show one expedition, the first expedition. So a bit of hacking was required to get an expedition menu page going and reuse the original page to display any season's data. During the week, we got some awesome suggestions from the in-app feedback system. The expedition menu page will now show the status of the current expedition. We will only really get to see how well this works once Season 3 of Expedition starts, but I'm quite happy with how it turned out. And finally, I added a long requested feature, the developer details section. Now you can see some of the properties of all the game items. Maybe you're curious about what the game ID is for an item, or you want to know what the name of an item is in the game files. I will be adding more details to this page as the AssistantNMS patrons get an early look and report back. So now that you're all caught up on the development of the app, I bet you are wondering what I've been up to with all my spare time. I created a Twitch extension called Patron Banner. I made a website for the Expedition alphabet, updated the Scrap Mechanic app, made a tool to make the streams more silly, made a new YouTube channel, and streamed some games. Oh my goodness. Nailed it. All these things aren't really Assistant for No Man's Sky related, so I'll be posting another version of this video that goes into more depth on these topics. There will be a link in the description to continue the video on that channel. Right now, I have to thank all of the AssistantNMS patrons. They have continued supporting me through this period of no dev stream summary videos, and I hope they've been enjoying all the posts over on Patreon. There are still a lot of features I want to add to the Assistant for No Man's Sky, and a lot of tools that I still want to build that patrons will get access to from the start, such as the Patron Banner Twitch extension. Special thank you to my top tier patrons, The Farlander, ADHD Snow, and Chris Whitlock. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, please hack the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!